Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to open a SECURMAP high security double bit lock. I will unpack a lock, brand new. I'm sorry the video will be a little bit longer, but it is important for you to see the lock and to be sure that our devices can make it. So this is the new patented key. You see the specific cuts here, the low diameter here, 3+3. The lock comes with a security card, SECURMAP 11. Let's check the lock. Okay, the lock is working. Now we'll unscrew the bolts and to see what the manufacturer have made with that lock. The bolts are very tight. We have one more bolt here under the security label. So this is a SECURMAP system, new system, where the SECURMAP factory have take precautions against usual locksmith tools known as Grimaldello Bulgaro and also as magic key. On those tools, the procedure is not successful. Only few locks I have able to open with those devices, but very difficult. And I will show the new system, automatic lock impressioning system, which is created for those new modern double bit locks. So what we see at the inside of the lock. At the first point we see anti-pick cuts here on the plates and anti-pick cut on the central bolt here, which command the deadbolt. And also the manufacturer have made this additional cut here at the side. In this way the plates are floating, they move when they receive kind of a contact between the deadbolt stift and the plate. They start to floating, to moving, and that creates additional headache for the lock pickers. And one last thing is here he put this black thing just to keep the lock with the plates a little bit disordered. So when the usual picks come here, very often the pin of the pick go between the plates and it's failed to open the lock. So they have anti-pick cuts on almost on every plate. This lock is 3+3 configuration, 4 turns. And another thing is here, you see on the wall, on external wall or internal wall, it has this specific thing, and the key the key is made in a specific way. When it's work, it means that a flat key here in that spot cannot turn, and the usual picks like a magic key or Grimaldello Boer or Classico, they cannot even turn, they break at the beginning. Now we put together the lock. I'm sorry again that the video is longer, but this is important. We put our bolts back to the lock. We have to tighten them. The lock can be 2 turns, 4 turns, 3+3, 4+4 for safes, and of course they have a bigger version, SECURMAP 6+6, which is that model, you know it. But this is our objective at the moment, to open the small locks. They are very diffused in Italy, Romania, Greece, Russia and Israel. One screw missing. Okay, let's tighten what we have here. Let's put the lock on the vise. So, next step, when we see that we have to do with a modern lock, is to get Lucky Decoder Power TD. This is a specific device to prepare the lock for opening. Let's check the lock again. Work perfectly. So we fix this insect here. We have to tighten it a little bit. Now we go in the lock. Put this in the centrum of the lock, and we will start turning. Easy enough to make a couple of turns, up and down. You imagine what happened on the inside. Those things at the both walls are gone now. We don't have them anymore. We just make this turn to clean very well the wall of the lock, and we escape with this. Let's see what happened with the key. The key is still working, smooth and easy. So, there is the tool, SECUREMME 3+3 Luckylocks TD11 by a Luckylocks company. We have to reset the pins. We have to use this SECUREMME 3+3 setup device, which is calibrated here. Just go through the holes at the bottom and push the sliding pins. Now the device is set it up and ready. Insert this carefully, go in the center of the lock and grab the bolt. From this point on the green handles here we have to apply a not very strong tension. Keep the tension and start to rotate the back wheel to the left. Turn back and release. All we have to do is only this. Now the lock is in anti-pick. We have to discharge it and start to rotate a little bit more the back wheel. The first turn of the lock is done. You see very well the combination, and these things are guider for the plates, so I don't care if he put plates with a big tolerance. I guide the plates exactly over my pins. Next turn, let's reset the lock. Use only specific setup device, of course. Turn the back handle to the right and reset the sliding pins. The procedure is smooth and easy. You don't have to care about anti-pick, special wall protection or anything else. Just go in the centrum and make the manipulation. Once again, the force here is not too much. Usually the operator in couple of openings will understand how much force to apply. Anti-pick, again anti-pick, bypass it. The lock is open twice. Now you have the entire combination of the key. With this system, when you open, the original key should work exactly as at the beginning. I consider these not non-destructive openings. Decoding is possible, and that is everything I can share with you at the moment. Thank you for watching this demo video for SECURMAP 3+3 anti-pick.